Okay, so we are ready to add tile to this room, the workshop, at the back of the garage. So we haven't gone over this in class yet, so I'm not too worried if this doesn't sink in. But basically, the theory is that I want to start with a floor system that already includes tile and edit out everything that I don't need so that I've just got tile left that I can lay on top of the concrete. And then the tricky part is going to be that I have to make sure that the tile is above the concrete. It's sitting on top of it. It's not buried inside of it. So how am I going to do that? I'm on the architecture tab still. I click on floor and I'm still on that 6-inch concrete slab. Um, that's not what I want, but what I want is down here where it's an existing floor system, a wood joist 10-inch with ceramic tile. So I'm going to click on that to select that to start with. And I'm going to do that same thing where I duplicate it and rename it. So edit type, duplicate, and this time it's just going to be ceramic tile. So sorry about that. So it's just going to be ceramic tile, and I'm going to take out everything except ceramic tile here. Click OK. So that's renamed it. I still need to edit the structure just like I did with the concrete. So I click the edit button. Okay, so now I've got some stuff to take out. Let me make this window just a little bit wider so you see the full titles. There we go. So what I want to keep is this finish tile mosaic gray. Since I'm putting it directly to concrete, I'm going to get rid of this cementitious backer board. So I click on the number 2. That allows me to hit the delete button. My delete button on my keyboard doesn't work here. So I have to hit the delete button here. And then obviously I don't need the wood structure here because I'm going directly on concrete. So I can get rid of my plywood. So click on the number 3, hit delete. I don't need my wood joist, and watch what happens here. I'm going to get an error message, or actually I'm not even going to get an error because it won't let me delete it. So I click on the letter or the number 3 and I try to delete the structure. The delete button is grayed out. What's going on there is it won't let me have an empty core. That's why it's not letting me delete anything. So if I click on the number 1 for my tile finish, I can move that down now into the core boundaries. And now I can click on number 3 for the structure, the wood joist, and now the delete button's available. I hit the delete, and so now I am down to just my tile in my core, and I am good to go now. And I click the OK button, and now I can click the OK button here, and now I am ready to place that. This time I'm not going to use the Pick Walls tool. This time I am going to use this rectangular drawing tool. And I'm going to click in that corner, and then I'm going to click in this corner, and that's where my tile is going to be. Now, here's the thing that we didn't talk about in class. You need, over here in your properties, you need to make a setting so that the tile is on top of the concrete that you've already put down. So they both default to come in at 0, 0, which is a vertical reference point. So I want, because that tile is a 1/4 inch thick, I want it to come in at 1/4 of an inch above. So I put a height offset of 1/4 inch, click apply, and then I can click the green finish check mark, and now escape twice to get out of there, and I have that gray tile on top of my concrete. So we're going to stop there, let you catch up, and next we will put our tile pattern on top of this.